As you guys may know, digital mobile radio, DMR, can be quite advanced, especially when you're looking at the Motorola MotoTRBO series equipment. One of the many different DMR security features is the ability to choose a series of radio IDs that will have access to the system through a feature called the Radio ID Range Check. If I were to add a range of 1 through 10 to the repeater and leave the Allow box ticked off, any radio programmed with IDs 1 through 10 would be granted access to the system. However, if I created another range from 11 to 20 and I untick the Allow box, all radios programmed with the IDs from 11 to 20 will not be allowed to key up on the DMR side of the repeater. Please note that this feature is only available when the repeater is operating in digital or dynamic mixed mode. This feature has absolutely no effect on any analog installation.